Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into the exact Roblox account that purchased the items. Purchases are account tied. Once signed in, make sure the Roblox app and your device OS are updated, and if needed, reinstall the app to force a sync. At the same time, collect proof of purchase. App Store or Google Play receipts, payment confirmation emails, or bank transaction lines. These documents are critical because, once gathered, you'll use them to prove ownership to Roblox or the payment provider. Next, you document everything and contact Roblox support directly. This is the only reliable route when inventory doesn't show purchases. Fill the support form with your exact username, device type, purchase date, and precise item names. Attach clear screenshots of receipts and the payment transaction ID. Explain whether Robux or an in-game item is missing. If the purchase was made through Apple, Google, or a console store, also attach that store's receipt. This helps them cross-check payments against their records quickly. Finally, you wait for Roblox support to respond and follow any additional requests. Make sure to check your spam folder and reply quickly if they ask for more info. If you don't get a satisfactory response within 7 to 10 days, escalate by contacting the payment provider Apple, Google Bank, with your receipt and request investigation or a charge dispute. Troubleshooting tip: if things stall, provide screenshots of your inventory, timestamps, and all support correspondence. That consolidated evidence speeds up resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.